Hello friends and students. Today we are going to integrate e raised to cos x cos of sin x dx, where x is varying from 0 to 2 pi. Now let's see how to integrate this. As we know, cos theta plus iota sin theta can be written as e raised to iota theta, and therefore cos theta is actually real part of e raised to iota theta, and hence we can write as cos of sin x is real part of e raised to iota sin x. Simply replace theta by sin x, then we get cos of sin x is equal to real part of e raised to iota sin x. Now come to the integral. The integral is e raised to cos x cos of sin x, which is nothing but real part of e raised to iota sin x. E raised to cos x is already a real number, and therefore this can be written as real part of e raised to cos x multiplied by e raised to iota sin x dx, and e raised to cos x multiplied by e raised to iota sin x becomes e raised to cos x plus iota sin x dx. Now cos x plus iota sin x is again can be written as e raised to iota sin x, and therefore this integral now becomes real part of e raised to iota x dx. Now finally we have real part of e raised to iota x dx. Now expand e raised to iota x. As we know, e raised to x can be expanded as 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial up to infinity, and therefore e raised to iota x, this can be expanded as 1 plus e raised to iota x plus e raised to iota x whole square by 2 factorial plus e raised to iota x whole cube by 3 factorial up to infinity. Now 1 plus e raised to iota x can be written as cos x plus iota sin x, e raised to iota 2x can be written as cos 2x plus iota sin 2x, e raised to iota 3x can be written as cos 3x plus iota sin 3x, and therefore now this integral becomes real part of 1 plus cos x plus iota sin x plus cos 2x plus iota sin 2x over 2 factorial cos 3x plus iota sin 3x over 3 factorial up to infinity. And since we have to consider only the real part of this expression, and therefore we can write it as 1 plus cos x plus cos 2x by 2 factorial plus cos 3x by 3 factorial up to infinity. Actually we are taking only the real part of this expression, and as you can see, this is a very simple integration. After integrating, 1 becomes x, cos x becomes sin x, cos 2x becomes sin 2x by 2, cos 3x becomes sin 3x over 3, and up to infinity. Simply substitute the limit to get the answer as 2 pi. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if you liked it. Thanks for watching.